Today I'm going to read you a book named Penguins. Penguins are birds, but penguins cannot fly. They swim instead. There are 17 kinds of penguins in the world. Most penguins have bodies that are shaped like bowling pins. They are covered with feathers. Penguins have a dark back and a light belly. Some kinds of penguins have yellow or orange feathers on their heads. Penguins have short, stiff wings called flippers. Penguins are many different sizes. The little blue penguins are the smallest penguin. They are only 16 inches, 41 centimeters tall. They weigh less than newborn human baby. Emperor penguins are biggest penguin. They can be 4 feet. 1.2 meter tall and weighs up to 90 pounds, 40 grams. All penguins live in southern hemisphere. Many penguins live in continent of Antarctica. It's very cold there. Other penguins can live continents of South America, Australia, and Africa. Penguins eat food from the ocean. Many penguins eat small fish such as anchovies and sardines. Other penguins eat curls. Some penguins eat squid. Mother penguins lay 1 to at a time. Most mother and father penguins take turns caring for the eggs. Soon chicks hatch. They are covered with down. When they're grown up, feathers come in. They leave their parents. Wild penguins can live 50 to 20 years. Penguins spend a lot of time swimming, looking around for food. They flap their flippers to move through the water. Some penguins stay in the water for many months at a time. When penguins are on land, they gather in big groups. The groups are noisy. Penguins can hook, scoop, and bray. Most people live near penguins, however. Many people can watch penguins in zoo as they swim through the water or slide over ice on their billies. It's fun to watch these amazing animals. Fun fact: penguins can stay underwater for up to 20 minutes without coming up for air. After 2 to 4 months, most penguin chicks are on their own. However, emperor penguin chicks stay in their parents for almost a year. Fish use their tails and fins to steer underwear, but penguins use their fins and flippers. Sometimes penguins rest their feet and flippers and hitch a ride on floating icebergs. Penguins can swim up to 25 miles per hour and sometimes leap from the water like porpoise. This is called proposing. A penguin's feather can nut from up to half of its body weight. Collect all 8. The end. Thank you for listening to the story. Bye.